What's the meaning of cross-platform? Cross-platform. Cross-platform.
Cross-platform. Cross-platform. Cross-platform refers to the ability of software or technology to run on multiple operating systems or devices. This means that a single program or application can be developed to work seamlessly across different platforms, such as Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS or Android. This has become increasingly important in today's digital age, where people use a variety of devices and operating systems. Cross-platform technology allows for greater accessibility and convenience for users, as they can access the same software or application across different devices and platforms without compatibility issues.